Purchase your tracks today.
In English and mathematics, it has been okay. The lesson notes you give are the exercises we give the learners. These notes which were waste time, what is a noun? Examples of nouns. Who told you where are they? What's an adjective? Examples of adjectives. Those are not the notes. We no longer want them. Those were in the system of lesson taking. Children could take whatever the teacher wrote, whether they were errors or they were what. What I write is what you write. These days it has changed. The child participates in the notes. We call it lesson notes making, so that the teacher can mark, and we write even corrections. So don't give flat ones. So we can get them from the learning outcome. You can get lesson notes from the content. For example, you have vocabulary, the content, and there's vocabulary, language structures, and so on and so forth. Vocabulary, for example, the word is personal. I can test the opposite of personal. The opposite of personal. I can test the plural of party. Those are lesson notes. Lesson notes can also be got from the competences. The learner identifies components of an informal letter. Tell children to put down the components of an informal letter. Or write a letter and tell children to label it, showing the parts of a letter. Those are the notes. Lesson notes can also come from the suggested learning activities. What did the learners do to learn? For example, acting dialogues on writing informal letters, writing informal letters.